Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter control and coordination. So, what is control? The first question which put in our mind is what is control and coordination? So, as we know, the human body is a complex machine which performs tons of functions and processing for maintenance and sustain of life. What I said, maintain and sustain of life. This maintenance, this maintenance and sustenance of life, maintenance and sustaining. So this maintenance and sustaining of life is called as the control and coordination. Okay, so all the living organisms react and respond to the changes occur in their environment. Okay, all living organisms respond and react to the changes occur in their environment. So these changes which occur in their environment, so these changes are known as stimuli. What I said, stimuli. These changes are known as stimuli. What is stimuli? When something come in near us and we respond or react towards it, then this will call stimuli. Like when our hand touch a hot object, we suddenly withdraw it. So that hot object will be stimuli. Okay. So stimuli should be, what should be the stimuli? These are light, hot, cold, touch, smell, etc. These should be the stimuli towards all organisms respond or react. So according to which all organism reacts and respond toward the stimuli. Okay. So further the question put up that what is the system in all the living organisms that work proper functioning for these stimuli? So there is a proper system which what we call nervous system. So next we will discuss about the nervous system of animals. Nervous system in animals. Okay students, what is nervous system? We can say the nervous system is like a central unit of all organisms. Okay, so in easy words, what is nervous system? Nervous system is responsible for sending, receiving and processing of messages in the form of electrical signals. In which form? In the form of electrical signals. Okay, once again we will repeat once again. What is nervous system? Nervous system is responsible for all the messages sending, receiving and processing in the form of what? Electrical signals. In the form of what? Electrical signals. Okay. So nervous system is made up of tiny tissues. Okay. So these tiny tissues are known as nerve cells, or there is another name for nerve cells, that is neurons. Okay students. So nervous system is mainly made up of the small tissues that are called nerve cells or neurons. So we can say that nerve cells or neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Okay. Nerve cells are the, or neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Okay. So these nerve cells or neurons take the informations and changes them in the electrical signals and send them to spinal cord or brain, and then spinal cord or brain takes the proper action. Okay. So next we will discuss about the neuron. So structure of neuron. Structure of neuron. So in the structure of, there are millions and billions of neurons in our body which are connected to spinal cord and brains. So we will further discuss about what is the structure of neuron. So here is the structure of neuron. In the structure of neuron, there is a body which is known as what? Cell body or cytosol. These are dendrites which connects to the another neuron at their nerve ending. These swollen parts are known as myelin sheaths. These are nerve endings. Okay, student. This is the structure of a neuron or nerve cell, which is the structure and function of a nervous system. We will label it. These are dendrites. This is nucleus. This whole structure, this is big structure, is known as cell body or cytosol. This rod-like structure, which is emerges out from the cell body and goes up to the nerve ending. This is known as axon. Axon. Okay. And these swollen parts are known as the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. Okay. And the space here is known as the nodes of Ranvier. Nodes of Ranvier. And as I told, this is nerve ending. This is nerve ending. So we can see that the dendrite part of a neuron attached with the nerve part of another neuron, and there is a space, minute or minor space between where at the junction of dendrite and nerve ending, which is known as synapse. Which is known as synapse. Okay. So this is the complete structure of neuron or nerve ending. Further, the neurons or nerve cells are further divided into following types. Okay. The first type of neuron is sensory neuron. Sensory neuron. What is sensory neuron? Sensory neuron is responsible for sending messages to the from sensory organ to the spinal cord or brain. Okay. Sensory neuron is responsible for sending message spinal cord or brain from the sensory organ. Another type of neuron is motor neuron. neuron. So motor neuron, what is motor neuron? Motor neuron carry messages back from brain and spinal cord to the all the muscles and glands of the body. Okay, once again we will repeat. What is motor neuron? Motor neuron carry messages back from brain and spinal cord to the muscles and glands of the body. And the another type of the neuron is relay neuron. It is also known as interneuron. Relay neuron is also known as interneuron. These are the specific type of neurons which connects at the specific regions of the central nervous system. Okay, this is a specific type of neuron which connects to the specific region of central nervous system. Okay, so relay neuron or interneuron is neither sensory neuron nor motor neuron. Instead of that, they work as a connecting link between sensory neuron and motor neuron. Okay.